Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So this car has some great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also DAB digital radio, you get air conditioning, and there's also cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 13,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.